Yo, hey, yo, what's on YouTube? This is Edo Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode, man. Well, as you can see, I'm in a different location, man. Yeah. So, it's early in the morning and, yeah, I just decided to come here and make my own video. I mean, my next video. So, today's episode, I'm gonna unbox this Aliexpress Babyliss Skeleton FX, the black one. So, stay tuned. So this is the box right here, and it looks really legit. You know, I used to have the original Babyliss, the red one, and yeah, the box really looks legit. It looks like this. Black FX. Okay. Babyliss Pro. And there was a seal here, so I broke it. So it was, as you can see, it was from here, and I broke it, and the back. So you can really see. Okay. Yeah. So let's open it, man, and see what they got inside, you know, if it's really legit or not. So comes like this. We take this one out. Wait a moment. Okay, inside it's like this. This one was inside. Okay. So, and not the inside, just this one. Okay. So, they added adapter for me because this is a European adapter. So, charging cable, and it looks really legit. Okay, it's not written Babyliss or something like that. No, it's not written Babyliss. You can see. Okay. And nothing else inside. So here you got oil, blade protector, and a screwdriver, and cam follower, a little brush. I guess mine came with a blade setter. I can't really remember, but I guess so. So now get closer. Okay, this is the trimmer. I mean Babyliss Black FX. Okay, got this hook, and this hook, I don't know. This one is not really legit. Okay, and it's not that it doesn't have that weight of Babyliss. I mean the original Babyliss. It's really light, not really heavy like the original Babyliss. And got a golden blade, gold FX, as you can see. So in the front, okay, and the numbers, as you can see, and this is how it is. And the screws here, it's not original, as you can see, it's Phillips screw. So it's not like the original Babyliss Allen key or something like that. So this is Phillips screw. So if you can really see it good. Okay. And now sound check. So as you can hear, it's not that powerful. I just wanna tell you guys, this is not original Babyliss, and it's not a brushless motor. Here it again. It's not a brushless motor. So I'm gonna open it for you all to see. It's not a brushless motor. They would have make it a brushless motor maybe the cheaper brushless motor, then we have the opportunity to change the motor to, I mean, better motor, then it would have been much more better. So, and it's not a brushless motor, as you can see. It's not a brushless motor. So now you see. And with the blade, without blade, I guess it's around 8,000 RPM. But with the blade, it's around it's 6,000 RPM. So yeah, I don't know. So now when you turn this over, you see this bracket. This is metal, and on this one, this is plastic. This one. So, but the original fits perfectly. And sound check, I don't know, let's try it out. Okay. And now this is the stock blade. For me, I don't really recommend you buying this Babyliss from Aliexpress. Okay? The blade, for me, it's sharp enough. It gives a really sharp edge lines. Believe me, it's very, very sharp. Okay, so that's it for the unboxing of this Aliexpress Babyliss Black FX. So, peace, man. All right.